Aloha! So, I want to briefly show you how I made the pictures. So I'll make it very quick. I know it's a little long. So the first one to get the function to mirror the input, the pictures left move 20 pixels to 20 to 20, 20 to 40 pixels. So very quick. I made it to the weird playing pictures. To get my height and my width, technically, to be honest, I only need height. So I don't know why I put in width. So anyway, it doesn't affect our teaching lessons. So to make the nested loops to get x first in the range from the 0 to the 20. I'll show you the picture real quick. Basically, so just ignore the result I made. So to get pick 20 to the pixel to x, which is around this area, get the height up and down, get a pixel r x and y to make my right section, get a pixel on my plane, and use my width to minus my x, which is this part, and minus the A24. So when I get my mirroring, it should be this area. So instead of here, will be here. That's why I put in 224 and RY position, which doesn't change. Get my color or my pixels. So I put in set color on my right, which is this position. Get my color of all the pictures. So you can see the result is around this area, 20 to 40. I know it's a little not obvious, but you can see slightly different right here. So move on to the next one. The reason I separate into three, I separate into two because I tried another function, it doesn't work, so I separate into two. So first, for the top third of the pictures, I need to reduce the red. So obviously I make the definition, the function to crazy to get the height of my plane, x and y, same thing at the previous one. Get a pixel, same. Get a color of it, yes, the same. And if my y position here is less than or equal than the h divided by 3, which is around this area, as you can see on my cursor. And make my red pixel times 1%. It's almost very little. And we see green, set the same thing. Set my color to get my color RGB so I can get the color of it. And we shall see. So as you can see, I make everything too little for this part. So I don't know why it's become like totally green or blue, something like that. You can see like the G and B pixel are higher than the R pixels. And middle doesn't change here just because the instruction doesn't tell us to do anything. And move on to this one. I make the result already, so I can briefly explain what that happens. So for the crazy two, get a height, same thing, get a width, h, get pixels, get a color. That's interesting something here. If y is bigger or equal to 2 times h divided by 3, which is this area, is bigger than this area, it will be here. To get RGB pixel, are red, green, and blue pixels, and to clear the blue pixel, so I times 0. And set color of my pixel to get my RGB, and it will become like this. It's like red, a little bit green, red and green. So let's move on to the next one, which is the last one. Write a function the horizontal thirds of the picture differently. Make the top third and input pictures brighter. Then the middle third decrease blue and green by 30%. Then bottom third should be made negative. So let's see. So I write into 3 codes because I write another one, it doesn't work. Same with my first one. So for combine code, for x and y, same thing. width and age, width and height, get a pixel, my x and y, get the color of my pixels, make it lighter, so I don't need to make it lighter because it's how to have brighter color. So if my y is less or equal than the height divided by 3, which is, I set a color into, which is around this area. It's not the original, but you can see it's around this area. Set a color to make the pixel and make it lighter. Let's see the result. I make it already so you can save time viewing or waiting. So yeah. Anyway, so here is right here. I know it's like I make it lighter because my original picture is lighter enough. And plus this one is make it even more brighter. It's just become totally white. And let's move on to the next one. So combine two, same thing, height x, y, to get the range of my x, and y. Get the pixel of my x and y, same thing. Get color. If h divided by 3, which is this area, less than equal to y, and y less than 2 times h divided by 3, which is this area, so we get the middle. Get the red pixel, get the green pixel, get the blue pixel, but my G and B times 0.7, which means like it's gonna be the very last green and blue pixels. So set color, get my pixels, make my color is RGB, so R doesn't move anymore. G divided by 70 decrease to 70%. Same with the B, so we get this pretty redified color. Next one, as obviously you can see, this is a negative color. Same thing with the previous all of codes. Get the combine height, x and y. Make the pixel to x and y. Get the color. If my y is bigger or equals to 2 times h divided by 3, right here, get my RGB and make my negative color by NEG equals to make color 255 divided by 3 minus R minus G minus B, set color on my pixel in NEG, and this is what the result. Yeah, that's pretty much for my assignment. I know it's quite a bit long because I tried to shorten the codes, but it doesn't work at all. So hope you enjoy it. Mahalo.